Do not attempt to adjust your screen. You have just entered the coral zone. You're watching Homegirl Creates with me, Adora. This month, in the creative connection with the Turquoise Iris, we are challenged to do a monochromatic project in the color scheme Coral. I have a tutorial on homegirlcreates.com. You can learn how to make your own journal with step-by-step instructions, including how to make the template. All you really need is some thread and some paper. I decided for my journal I wanted to paint a watercolor floral for the cover. I will be using a combination of my new mixture of watercolors, some of the test samples, as well as Debi's Design Diary DIY paints. When I watercolor, I like to work wet on wet. I add lots of water. As you can tell, the paper towel, it gets quite wet. But that's okay. I'll save that for another project. As I was mixing the different colors, trying to decide which color I wanted to put into the palette, I would mix them in these little deli cups. Here I'm using DIY paint Cowgirl Coral to paint the edges. I decided I wanted to mix a more orange color, so I took some of the red and some of the yellow, made my own color. Why not? Kind of looks like ketchup and mustard. Because this is a monochromatic challenge, I couldn't just add this cream colored crochet ribbon from the Dollar Tree. It needed to be colored. So I added some cowgirl coral from DIY Paint along with some liquid patina. And I dyed the ribbon, and it turned out wonderful. It was a spur of the moment idea that I do not regret. I think I'm gonna go get more Dollar Tree crochet ribbon. Change the color of it all. Make my own different colors. Be sure to check out the tutorial on homegirlcreates.com if you want to learn how to make this hand-sewn paper journal.